Step 1. Apply stone and glass scrub to the countertop with 7-inch white pad. Wipe across the surface, spreading stone and glass scrub evenly, leaving it on 1 to 2 minutes. Attach the same white pad to the hand polisher and use the polisher on the slowest speed, 600 RPMs, to scrub the surface for a deep clean. Step 2. Wipe the surface clean. Spray the surface with Crystal Clean and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. Include cleaning the backsplash and the countertop edge. Step 3. Use a clean Hogs Hair Extreme Pad, applying finishing touch. On slow speed, polish the surface evenly. Increase the speed to burnish it in. Max speed, 1500 RPMs.